children, previous two videos we have completed. That is the basic I said. In the second videos I explained you. Suppose if unable to do subtraction, and means we cannot do it. We can't do it. That in that case, what you are going to do? That I am going to explain with these two examples. Okay, this I am saying advanced. Okay, right. Take it the same way. 3, 4, 8. We are taking one LCM bracket, and here my remainder, and here 2 is there. I am taking 2. It's clear, children. This till this everyone is same, right? Now drop the 3 as it is. It is done. Okay, children. Now 2 3s are 6. Suppose if I am writing here 6. Okay, then minus 6. 4 minus 6 we can't do. We can't do means we will get negative value. It is not possible. When you are getting a negative value in the 11, we done one thing. What we done? We reduce the quotient, right? The same way here also you are going to do the reduce the quotient. This 3 will becoming as a 2. We are reducing by 1. Okay. Then what will happen from the 6? Because the 6 is not possible. When you are reducing, what to do? We need to give 1 here. The same way we done in the 11. Remember it. Okay. Now it became as a 14. Right? Now 2 2s are 4. It is possible. Then write 4. Then it will be the 10. Okay. Right? Right. 2 10s are 20. 8 minus 20 is not possible. Then no need to write. Just check like this. Okay. Randomly. Then 10 decrease as a 9 and give 1 here. Right? Again check it. 2 9s are 18. 18 minus 18 is possible? Yes, possible. Because we are getting 0. It is possible. Then write it. Then will we get 18 minus 18 is 0. My quotient is 29 and remainder is 0. Understood, children? We'll see one more example here. 5, 7, 3 and 5 we are writing here, and this is my remainder part. And now we'll start the question. Till this is okay? What? One more example, clearly observe it. Drop the 5 as it is. Done. Just check it whether it is possible or not. Okay. 5 5s are 25. 7 minus 20 is possible? No. Reduce one time. It will be coming as a 4 and it will be the 17. Right? 5 4s are 20. Still it is not possible. In the 11 we reduce only one time, but in the teens it will go to 10 times also reducing. Okay, but you have to analyze it. How many times it is required to do reduce. That you will get it directly. You will do the more practice on the sums. You will understand very easily. Don't think it is a hard. Okay, right? Then 5 4s are 20. Still it is not possible. One more time reduce. It becomes 3. Right? How many times you reduce? 1 and 2. Means you need to give here 2. Clear, children? Now check it. 5 3s are 15 possible? As possible. Then do minus 15. Okay. 2 minus 1 is 1. It is not possible. Okay. Then it will be the 1, and 7 minus 5 will be the 2. Then you got here 12 now. See 12 you got. See you think it here one more knack, and knackly you can tackle it. See here 12 is there in one place value. One means not one's place, any place. It is a hundreds place or tens place or thousands, whatever place value is there. In that place value you will get always only single digit. But I got double digit. Means it is wrong. That's why directly you come to the 9, because your first single digit is 9. Okay. How many times you reduce? Count it. 12, 11, 10. 3 times you can do directly reduce. Okay. Then 3 you give to here and check it now. 5 9s are 45. Still it is not possible. The 9 decrease and make it 8 and it will be the 4. Now it will be the 43. Then 5 8s are 40. It is possible? Right, it is possible. Now do minus 40. Then remainder is 3. My quotient is 38 and remainder is 3. See, whenever you are getting a double digit number in any place value, never get 2 digits in a one place value. Okay, it is a hundreds or tens or whatever. In the place where always 0 to 9 will be repeats. Right? That's why here 12 is there, directly I brought to the single digit. When I brought to the single digit, how many times you reduce, count it. 12, 11, 10, 3 times I given 3. 33 still it is not possible. That's why again I cut the 9 and I brought to the 8. Decreased by 1. One more I done. The totally reduced to 4 times. I given 4. 5 5 8s are 40. I wrote here 43 minus 40 will be the 3. That's why my quotient is 38 and remainder is 3. Thank you children. We will see next example in the next video.